Hi there, my name is Ben Lewis, and for many years now I've been defending people's homes from repossession by banks and building societies. I've dealt with hundreds and hundreds of cases, both by negotiating with the banks directly and by representing people in court. And I have to say that 9 out of 10 people were successful in saving their home. Now, obviously I'd like to say that's because I'm really, really good at my job, but the truth is, we do it because the banks, the building societies and the solicitors they use will often break the rules that they're supposed to before they go for possession. And it's in picking out where they've done that we stop it. Now, I've dealt with hundreds and hundreds of cases on a daily level where people come in and they tip out their carrier bags on the desk and there's just letters going everywhere. Usually the last pile of them are unopened, and it takes them about 20 minutes to go through all the correspondence that the banks and their solicitors have sent, and then I find that they're really okay. They're just being bullied and pushed around, misled, misinformed, and having the wool pulled over their eyes. And when I get involved, I stop that. Now, I started Home Saving Expert, the website and the services, in order to share that information with all of you out there, all of you people who right now feel in that situation. The Council for Mortgage Lenders estimate that in the coming year, mortgage repossessions are going to be about 53,000, which means that there's going to be between 200,000 and 300,000 people who are under threat of repossession who manage to get out of here. I want to increase that number as much as I can. Now, it's not just on a professional basis I've seen this. I've had it personally myself. Many years ago, I had a flat in South East London and I ran into mortgage difficulties. And they took me to court for possession, and in a panic, because I didn't want to lose my home, I ended up offering more than I could actually afford to pay. Some of you may have been in that situation yourself now. But the result was I couldn't keep up with the terms of the agreement. So I defaulted and they went back to court, got a warrant to change the locks on my house. Now, it was only stopped at the last minute through the generosity of a family friend who gave me the money to get out of there. But what annoys me now is when I look back at that time, this is before I worked in this industry, I realised there was loads I could have done. I could have dealt with it. I should never have even been in court. The banks did the same to me that they do to you now. They were misdirecting, misleading, and just basically refusing without giving reasons why. There are a whole raft of rules and regulations that a mortgage lender must follow before they even start looking at possession, let alone the conduct that they have to follow when they're going through the possession. I found out how to stop all that, and I started Home Saving Expert to share that information with you, so that it gives you back the power, so that you don't have to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning with your stomach turning, don't have to get in a panic when a letter arrives or the phone rings. You can fight them back. Now, if you want to sign up for information about what the banks are up to, tips and hints on how to do these things, and how to save your home from repossession, give me your email address in the bottom. Just put it in there and I'll send you loads and loads of free stuff. There's other information you can get from the website. If you sign on to it, it'll help you defend your home from repossession. If you're sitting there now in a panic, you don't have to be. The chances are, in 9 out of 10 cases, you're absolutely fine. You just don't know what to say or what to do to the banks. I do. And the purpose of this is to share that information with you so that you can do it. We'll see you soon.